On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2022 Montana High Country 351BH by Keystone RV. This fifth wheel is perfect for residential living, offering a spacious layout with 3 slide-outs, providing ample living space for you and your family. On the outside, you'll love the convenient outdoor kitchen area, perfect for alfresco dining. And with abundant exterior storage space, you can bring along all your outdoor gear for your next adventure. Inside, you'll step into the central kitchen area, the heart of your home away from home. Equipped with modern stainless appliances, including a microwave and 3-burner range, all of your favorite dishes are right at your fingertips. The center island offers extra counter space and a double basin sink. At the entry is a desk ideal for organizing your travel essentials. Next to that is a residential side-by-side fridge with a large bottom freezer drawer. And in the corner is a closet pantry for added food storage. The convertible table area with bench seats provides a cozy spot for family meals or game nights. Relax in the comfortable theater-style recliners or unwind on the convertible 2-person sofa after a long day of adventure. The whole family will enjoy gathering around the warm fireplace for a relaxing evening, swapping tales of their day and what's in store for tomorrow. The rear bunkhouse has been transformed into the perfect room for safely sleeping smaller children, offering a cozy retreat for bedtime stories and giggles, and space to customize however you see fit. Now we'll take a look towards the front of this travel trailer. As we step up into the raised area of the floor plan, the door to the left opens to the dual entry bathroom. The bathroom is equipped with all the amenities you need for comfort on the road, including a mirrored medicine cabinet, sink vanity, and ample linen storage. Refresh and rejuvenate in the radiused corner shower with a sliding glass door, skylight, and built-in corner seat. The master bedroom has a large picture window above a dresser and surrounded by wardrobe closets. The plush king-size bed ensures a comfortable night's sleep. And there's a second access door to the bathroom for added convenience. With overhead venting and plenty of extra storage shelving, the bathroom is efficiently laid out so you can get back to fun without missing anything. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or enjoying a relaxing getaway, this travel trailer is your perfect companion. Embark on your next adventure and make memories that will last a lifetime with this amazing Montana High Country 5th wheel travel trailer. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.